When you are ready to put dimensions on your finished drawings, you should be doing it on your layout tab. So to put dimensions, you will have under annotation group here, you will have your dimensions. You should select what kind of dimensions you want from this options. So if you wanted a straight linear dimensions, you can click linear, and then you can pick this dimension and that dimension and put it into place. Okay. Now, if you have a large dimension like this one, you can always change this dimension by selecting it, right click, and then properties, and then dimension properties will appear on this window. So if you want to adjust a dimension, you simply select the dimension, right click, properties, and this property box will appear. You can expand this box if you want to. But if you wanted to, let's say, change the height of the text, okay, then you will have to scroll down. Under text, you will see text height, okay. If you want it to be bigger, make this one bigger. Let's say if I type in 4 and press enter, then the text will become bigger. If you wanted to make the arrows bigger, and you have to scroll up and you will see arrow 1 and arrow 2, and you will have the size of your arrows at 2.5. If you want to make them bigger, then you type a bigger number. Okay. If you want to make it smaller, then you type a smaller number. Now let's say you have several dimensions and they appear to be different in size. So if you wanted to copy the dimension, this one here with all its sizes, and adopt it on this dimension, you can use the match property button here under your properties group. So simply select match property, and you want to select the dimension that you want to copy from. So I want to copy the sizes from this dimension. So I click this first before I click this dimension, and it should adjust to the size of this original dimension you first copied. You should also be able to change a dimension by selecting the dimension. As long as this properties window is open, then you can leave it there open. And you can change the dim style here. Okay, so here are your default dim styles also if you want to. Okay, so you can change specifics, okay, or you can change the style. So let's do match property again. I want to select the dimension here, and I want to copy it here. Now, if you want to override this dimension, then you can do that. So for example, we want to put here a dimension that shows the diameter of the circle. Okay, there you go. And if I wanted to, let's say, add some dimension here, then I can simply select, right click, property, and again, this one will appear over here. And then I can go and override under text. There's an override portion here. Okay, and you can override the size here if it's something that you wanted to add. So percent. If you want to put in R50, then you can also do that. Press enter, and then you will now have the dimension R50 showed over here.